Alrighty, now we're finally on question 1, part D of the free response questions from the AP Calculus AB exam. So what we want to think about here is that there's 2 ways to do this one. You can graph this thing out, but you can also just look at it and use some context clues to see what's happening with the signs. So what this question is asking us directly is we're looking at the changing of the rate. Is the rate changing, meaning that is it an increasing rate or is it a decreasing rate? And when I say a rate is changing or increasing, they're talking about C prime here. So they gave us C double prime. And if we understand the relationship between C prime and C double prime, we know that when C double prime is positive, that means that C prime is increasing. So C prime is increasing. And then when C double prime is negative, that means C prime of T is decreasing. So all we need to do is see that, is this thing right here increasing on the interval from 12 to 20, or is it decreasing on the interval from 12 to 20? And my way is, I can see this first one here. Oh, this is always, E to anything is always a positive number. And if I do 100 minus any number between 12 and 20, it's going to also be a positive number over another positive number. This thing is always positive. So if it's always positive, therefore C prime is going to be increasing at that rate. If you don't believe me, let's jump over here to the graph. And if we look at the graph, I just took the derivative of this function. And as you can see that this second derivative is always positive. And if you always get a positive number, that means that F prime, or in this example, C prime, is always increasing. So our answer choice should say something like this. Because F prime, or C double prime, is positive, therefore the coffee is changing at an increasing rate. The temperature of the coffee is changing at an increasing rate, and we're done. That'll give us full credit. Alrighty, see you in the next one.